Hey, welcome to Freelancing tutorial for beginners. So I'll tell you A to Z of a clear roadmap of how you can become a great freelancer and earn a six-figure income. Okay. So first step, if you decided that if you want to be a freelancer, okay, then decide whether you want to be a full-time freelancer or a part-time freelancer. Okay. So I don't see a great success who is opting for a part-time freelancing, okay, but I can see a great success in people who is opting for a full-time freelancing career. So you decide that first, okay. So comment down below whether you want to be a full-time freelancer or a part-time freelancer. According to that, I'm gonna help you out, okay. By the way, if you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Virender Chaudhary. People know me as Hello Viru, and I help people to become self-employed. I create content around freelancing and making money online. I'm the founder and CEO Trader School. So let's proceed. What is the first step as a freelancer you need to take? Okay, mindset. Okay, so this is the very and the most important thing, okay, trust me, on top of above, mindset is the most important thing, okay. I've seen a lot of freelancers who are here without a purpose or a mindset. Why do you want to become a freelancer? Viru, because my friend is making so much of money, so I want to become a freelancer. My sister brother making lot of money, so my cousin sister brother, so I want to become a freelancer. No, somebody told me, one of my friend told me, Arey, have you checked freelancing? It's a very good option. So I decided to be a freelancer. Absolutely not. If you came into freelancing, or if you're coming into freelancing with this mindset, you're 100% going to be fail. Okay, because you need to have a purpose. Okay, so it should be win-win. Write down. If you're watching this, like, very important, if you want to become a freelancer, win-win situation, okay. Client should win, okay, and also you have to win. If you want to provide a great service, okay, then client will pay you a great money, through which client is also benefiting, you also benefiting. That is a win-win situation you need to create. Have a right, proper mindset, okay. And next comes to skill, okay. If you are a freelancer, you should master one core skill that can help you to make your first 6 figures income in freelancing, okay. Let us imagine graphic designing and video editing is a skill, okay. You have to master to the next level where clients will wait for your services, okay. Or you can go and opt for digital marketing. Inside digital marketing, you will have plenty of other options as well. You can master SEO, you can master content creation, you can master paid ads. There are so many, okay. You can pick one and you can master. But why digital marketing? I'll tell you. If you're good at playing guitar and if you want to provide teaching services to the kids in guitar, you have to know digital marketing to promote your services. No matter which skill you are in, okay, what skill you have to learn digital marketing in order to provide and market your services, or in order to create personal branding in that skill. Personal branding is the most important thing. So master digital marketing and pick any skill. Skill in the sense, not going to Udemy and purchasing 499 course and learning for 6 hours and be telling like, Viru, I've learned a skill. No, you haven't learned a skill. You have learned a basics of the skill. Okay. So I have a formula called 3-step formula to learn any skill. Okay. So let us imagine you pick digital marketing. Level 1, you have to learn all the fundamentals and basics of digital marketing. Okay. Level 2, you have to go with intermediate level, where you need to learn in-depth modules of digital marketing and understanding core principles and how it will be helpful. And in the level 3, you have to master one core skill out of digital marketing and you have to master it to the next level. Okay, by practicing, by working with few clients, like 1-2 clients for free, and completely understanding the core concepts of A to Z about that particular module. So 3-step formula or 3-step funnel or 3-step levels you need to follow to master a skill. First, preparing your mindset. to become a full-time freelancer or a part-time freelancer. Once you've decided, then you have to fix your brain that client should win and I have to win. Whatever the services I am going to provide, that should be helpful to the client, and that client should be paying me more money because I helped him. Win-win situation. Second, master or core skill. Okay. Then third, which you need to master is like onboarding clients, like effective communication. Okay. You've learned a skill, but in order to provide services in that skill, you have to master communication skills. Okay, let us imagine you advertised and you generated leads, but you're not good at communication. You're unable to communicate that how your services will help client to grow from 0 to 1 or 10 to 20 or 30 to 40. Okay, if you're unable to communicate, you will never ever get projects. Got it? So you need to master effective communication skills. Previously, I posted a video on that effective communication skill, like 4 skills required. In that, I've already explained like how you can master communication skills. So I will give that video link somewhere here in the iCard. You can click on it and you can learn effective communication skills. And fourth is like retaining a client. Okay, once you've got the project, you cannot go and search for the projects every month, right? Once you've got the project, you should know how to retain the project. Okay, retain the client. Once you retain the client, I'll tell you the fifth and the most important thing, scaling. Okay, you can't be a freelancer every year, right? So you have to know how to scale your freelancing business to the next level, that is entrepreneurship journey. You should start hiring people and you should start giving your work to your employees. They will do the work. You will work on scaling your freelancing business. This is a 5-step which you need to have, and the most important when you're starting out, once you've learned the skill, please build your portfolio. And to get clients, it is not that easy or it is not that tough. Getting my point? Work with 1, 2 or 3 clients. I have a magic figure to working with 3 clients for absolutely free for the 1 or 2 months. In exchange, take the testimonials, video reviews, written reviews from the client. Using those 3 video reviews, testimonials, you can advertise getting new projects. Okay, so I hope this tutorial is clear for you. We'll see you with the next video. By the way, if you like this video, like it and comment and share it with your friends. Considering subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. See you.